I step far from the gun thing and the crime and violence. Me know police come shoot me down, you see me?
In a Kingston town, na 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 na. In a Kingston town, na 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 na.
Hello and welcome to Delightful, Delicious, Delovely. My name is Christine Elise and today I am going to be doing a little review for you. First of all, you may notice I have a Delightful, Delicious, Delovely shirt on. I'll have a link below where you can buy one if you care to. And it comes in like 59 different products like coffee mugs and phone cases and everything you can, clothing, everything you can think of. So what I'm going to be reviewing is this Rabbit Whole Foods 3 products. They're un-tuna deli-style chickpea salad, their un-chicken classic curry chickpea salad, and their un-egg home-style chickpea salad. Veganized egg salad, for goodness sake. Wonderfully veganized for the curiously kind, and this tuna salad reinvented with verve and panache. Alright, I guess I'm going to do the tuna last. I'll start with the egg. I'll do the egg salad first. Sort of looks like, not like egg salad, but by the way, I have a chickpea tuna of my own on this channel. I think in the video vegan ones where I'm shot from above, and wow, this is really, really good. This is very good. I can tell it's chickpeas, but it's really fucking good. I mean, it doesn't taste like egg really, but looks like it, and pardon my fingers. Yeah, okay. I like it a lot. How many calories in this fucker? Pardon me, I'm so blind. Ooh, a lot. Does it say 320 or 220? I'm so blind, I don't have my glasses. Rah. I'll show you. I'll put the thing here. Yeah, this is 600 calories. Yeah, 640 for, what is this, 4 ounces or something? It's not a lot. That's a fuck ton of calories for something. I mean, 600 calories. You could eat 2 Beyond Burgers for that. But anyway, tastes really, really good. Alright. They all look kind of the same. I'll show them to you. They actually do look a little different. Oh no, how do I open this fucker? Alright, give you a look at them. Egg salad. That is the curry chicken salad. And that is the un-tuna. Alright, so while this un-egg is really delicious, really nice in a wrap, it's very, very fattening. Alright, it's all got the same texture, I guess. It's all chickpeas. This is too sweet for my taste. It's got carrots in it. Tastes good. It's kind of like a chicken salad that has cranberries in it or something. The curry is very, very mild. It's a little sweet for my taste, like sweet relish. And not curry enough. It does taste good though. I don't dislike it. Alright. What's the bad news on this one? I'm so blind, pardon me. This seems to have 250. So 500 calories, 640 calories. Alright, here we go into the tuna. Looks like tuna. Wow. Oh my goodness, tastes like tuna. It's got a fishy taste. How did they do that? I put some sea kelp, I think, in mine, and some nori flakes to make it give a little fishy, oceany flavor. This is, I think, fishier than mine. That's pretty awesome. I'm sort of stunned. I'm sort of stunned by how good they are. These least sweet, it goes in order of sweetness. This is the least sweet. Tuna is the least sweet. Egg is the next least sweet. And the un-chicken is the most sweet. The sweetest. Alright. It's fishy. If I had glasses, I could read to you what the fucking ingredients are. The calorie count on this one, oh Jesus, 320? 320. What are they putting in here? It's so fattening. I can't read it. I'm gonna have to, there must be a lot of sugar in there, or a lot of mayonnaise. They don't seem mayonnaise heavy. Clearly there's vegan mayonnaise in there. Clearly they all would have them in real life. I mean, non-vegan versions. I just don't know how you pack 640 calories into something that tiny. That's my problem with, that was my problem with the very delicious products I was getting from, I was driving all the way out to Topanga Canyon or whatever to buy Canoga Park to Follow Your Heart's brick and mortar store, the Minneapolis Herbivorous Butchers products. Their products are all, pretty much everything I tried from them was great. But their deli meats, while they were really, really delicious, had a shocking number of calories, like 800 calories for 4 slices or something. That's probably overstated. I can put it over here what the real numbers are, but it was so fattening that I gave it to my friend to feed to her kids because I just can't sit around here eating 800 calorie sandwiches. Maybe you can. I'm already spinning in a heated spinning class 5 and 6 times a week, and I still can't drop 5 pounds or the 20 I need to. I'm certainly not going to drop any weight eating this stuff. But wow, I think my favorite was the egg. I think the egg one's my favorite. They're hard to open, I'll tell you that. I don't have fingernails. I'm going to do that fork. Let's see. Yeah, the egg is really very good. I'm not going to go back to that tuna because the tuna is pretty fishy, as I've said. And open up, motherfucker. Open, motherfucker. I just stabbed myself in the... Alright. Yeah, okay. If you're the kind of person that likes sweet relish in your tuna or in your potato salad, it's like a sweeter thing, this is going to be right up your alley. This un-chicken, it's tasty. It's just sweeter than I would make it myself. Not badly sweet, but sweeter than I would do. Alright, so number 1 for me is the egg. I think despite the... This might be a tie between the tuna and the chicken. This chicken's growing on me as I stand here. I can't wait to be able to tell you what they use to make the seafood flavor. I should have thought ahead and put my glasses on. But yeah, alright. I would recommend them all very highly. Again, the chicken one with the one reservation is if you don't like sweet, you won't like it. But if you do like sweet, you're going to fucking love it. Yeah, how much were they? I think they were like $6 each too. I don't have my receipt here. Which isn't too bad. You probably get 2 sandwiches out of each of these. 2 wraps if you put a bunch of veggies and stuff in there too. I'd recommend dividing it in half just because of the calorie count. Alright, I'm rambling. I like these things. I'm giving it a thumbs up. I think these guys, on a scale of 1 to 10, for a vegan tuna chicken salad and egg, I'm going to give them a 9. I think they're all great. They have different strengths. Texture's the same for all of them. Chickpea, which is not a problem for me. And yeah, big thumbs up, and that is that. Thanks for watching. Please share these, my recipes especially, with your friends, and share these posts like on your social media so you can help me spread the word. This channel, I started this channel. I don't make any money from this channel, by the way. People think I make a lot of money from it. I literally have not made a cent. I just literally haven't made a penny. So this is a labor of love for me, and it's a labor to try to spread the word and to get meat eaters eating less to no animal products. So you could help me in that fight if you shared these things and made some recipes for your friends that eat meat and maybe not even mention that things are vegan so they don't get their panties in a bunch before they try things and go into dishes already defensive. Alright, that is that. Please subscribe, and until next time, thanks. Bye.